Today, I want to talk to you about something that is very important, and that is about how you view yourself. A lot of us grow up in colonized viewpoints where we do not see ourselves as beautiful. And I want you to question that. I want you to question that narrative, where it comes from. Is it really you? And is it really true? I want you to challenge that notion, to say, no, that isn't really true. What we learned, what we were exposed to when we were younger, was only one type of beauty, a colonized beauty. But I'm here to tell you this, and this is your reminder. Who you are is already beautiful. Your skin tone, your eyes, your smile, your hair, but most importantly, the way that you carry yourself is beautiful. So don't worry so much and do not compare yourself to another person's beauty. The most important thing is not whether other people think you're beautiful. The most important thing is whether you yourself think you're beautiful. And I'm here to tell you and remind you that yes, you are beautiful.